I'm using the Arduino board here to control this little 5-volt stepper motor. I'm using a small delay, 250 milliseconds between the change in direction. It's not too hard to set this up. You need the little stepper motor. You can buy these on eBay, or it might have come with a little kit that you might have got with your Arduino board. Otherwise you can buy it in parts. These are the 4 pins out for the stepper motor controller, and I've got a ground pin there as well going over to this breadboard. On the breadboard I'm just powered up by this little 9-volt battery here. I've just got my negative and positive 9 volts there. The ground is my negative that comes across to my Arduino board to the ground pin. Supplying off my USB port, off COM port 3 actually, for the laptop. Here's the code. You can pick up this code quite easy on the internet. All of my setups, and then I go into my, well, that's all of my initiations, initializing everything. Then I go down into my setup, controlling my motor speed. My motor speed 2048 is 1 revolution on this little stepper motor. These are setting up my pins on the Arduino board, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Motor speed is set up there. So down here in the loop, I've just got it, first of all, it runs in one direction, which is positive direction if you like. There's no negative given there, but to then go to the opposite direction, you just put a negative in front of your direction, for your revolutions I should say. Changes the direction, your negative changes the direction. And I've just got my delay here, so it runs continuously. My delay is set up here. And the delay is, I was just playing with the delay before. 250 is quite nice. It comes around pretty quickly, stops and restarts again in the opposite direction pretty quickly. Let's get that to focus a bit better. There we go. So yeah, if you haven't already done one of these little exercises, quite a nice little task to do, fairly straightforward. If you follow all of the code I've written down here, you should be fine. These were my pins. Okay, so my pins 8, 9, 10 and 11 on the Arduino. They go to the inputs 2, 1, 4 and 3. They're just the colours that I used on my ribbon wire. Follow that and follow the code here for the sketch. You need, of course, to have the IDE software on your laptop. That's free download from the Arduino.com site. If you haven't got a little board, they're quite cheap. You can pick them up online for about $5. This is the little Uno one. I've got others. I've got the Nano, which is half the size, and I've got the Mega, which is twice the size. Just running off a little battery. You might be able to buy the power supply actually, which connects onto the breadboard, giving you your output voltage, which I think is about 12 volts. Oh no, sorry, it comes off the 9-volt battery, so yeah, up to 9 volts again, regulated. And this is the little driver board here. That normally comes with the motor. And there are my colours on there. Purple, white, red and brown. Going down onto here, I've got my white, purple and my red and my brown wires there. Sorry about the colour, it's getting interfered by the LED. Might be better on that side. Beg your pardon, it was white, purple, brown and red. Yeah, so just a little bit of fun with the Arduino. little stepper motor here running nicely. You can change the parameters of this. Hopefully this gives you a few ideas. Arduino is a fantastic platform to work with. There is so much online to help you with any project you might have in mind. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.